Tires are one of the very first things people notice when they look at your car. When your tires are deep black, shiny, and have that fresh, wet look finish, the entire vehicle instantly looks newer, cleaner, and much better maintained. But after just a few weeks of normal driving, rain, sun, and brake dust, those same tires often turn dull, brownish, and faded, even if the tread is still in great condition. If you want your tires to look brand new every single time you wash your car, you don't need to buy expensive new rubber. You just need the right tire dressing products and the correct application technique. Today I'm sharing my personal battle-tested list of the 7 best tire shine and dressing products that actually deliver that rich, dark, glossy look that turns heads in parking lots and makes your car look showroom fresh. These recommendations come from testing dozens of products over the years, listening to feedback from thousands of you in the comments, and seeing what holds up best in real-world conditions. Highway miles, heavy rain, intense summer heat, and cold winters. I'll tell you exactly what each product does best, their pros and cons, how to apply them properly for maximum results, and which ones are ideal for your specific needs. Let's go through them one by one. Number 7. Meguiar's Ultimate Black Plastic Restorer. Starting off strong is Meguiar's Ultimate Black. This is a fantastic versatile product that works beautifully on tires, exterior trim, and plastic parts all at once. It delivers a rich, deep satin-to-gloss finish that looks very natural and not overly artificial. What makes it stand out is its durability and built-in UV protection, which helps prevent the rubber from drying out, cracking, and fading over time. On daily driven cars, one good application usually lasts 2 to 3 weeks. It comes in an easy-to-use spray bottle, so you simply mist it onto a foam applicator and spread it evenly. The biggest tip: always wipe off any excess from the tread area to minimize sling onto your paintwork. If you want one product that handles multiple areas of the car, this is an excellent choice. Number 6. CarGuys VRP Dressing. Next up is CarGuys VRP, Vinyl, Rubber, and Plastic Dressing. This has developed a huge following for good reason. It gives a deep, dark, almost wet-looking finish without feeling greasy or heavy. Because it's thinner than many other dressings, it penetrates the rubber pores really well and brings back that factory-fresh black color. It performs particularly well on newer or lightly used tires. One small downside is that it can sling a little more than thicker products if you apply too much, so use it sparingly and let it cure for 10 to 15 minutes before driving. It's water-based, easy to clean up, and provides decent UV protection. Great for people who want a natural, enhanced look rather than extreme gloss. Number 5. CarGuys Tire Shine. If you love maximum shine and convenience, CarGuys Tire Shine is hard to beat. This spray-on formula delivers a high-gloss mirror-like wet look that makes tires pop in photos and in person. It's water-based, so it's easy to work with and cleanup is simple. It also contains UV blockers to help protect the rubber from sun damage. What I really like is how little product you actually need. A light mist on each tire is usually sufficient. It dries relatively fast compared to older solvent-based dressings and doesn't attract dust quite as badly. Perfect for weekend detailers or show car owners who want dramatic shine with minimal effort. Just be careful not to over-apply on the tread to avoid sling. Number 4. 303 Aerospace Protectant. 303 Aerospace Protectant is a true legend in the car care community. Unlike traditional tire shines, it's primarily a UV protectant that restores and maintains the original black color while providing excellent long-term protection against drying, cracking, and fading caused by the sun. It gives more of a natural satin-to-matte finish rather than crazy high gloss, which many enthusiasts prefer because it looks cleaner and more factory original for longer. The real advantage is its staying power and protective qualities. Many high-mileage owners swear by it for keeping tires looking fresh for months. Apply it with a foam applicator for the best even coverage. It's a bit less showy, but extremely effective for daily drivers. Number 3. Gyeon Q2 Tire. Moving into the premium category, Gyeon Q2 Tire is one of the best modern tire coatings available. This silica-based formula creates a protective layer on the rubber surface. The finish is a deep, rich satin gloss that looks incredibly natural and lasts significantly longer than conventional dressings, often 4 to 6 weeks or more with just one application. It also has excellent water and brake dust repellency. Yes, it's more expensive up front, but you use much less product and it lasts longer, so it actually works out to be cost-effective. Ideal for enthusiasts who want both outstanding looks and real protection that holds up through rain and regular washing. Number 2. Optimum Tire Shine. Optimum Tire Shine is my personal everyday favorite for most cars. It strikes the perfect balance between beautiful shine and cleanliness. It delivers a deep, wet-looking gloss without being too slippery or throwing product all over your fenders and paint. The formula is designed to stay where you put it. It contains conditioning agents and UV blockers that help keep the rubber supple and protected. Application is straightforward with a foam applicator or microfiber towel. One coat usually lasts 2 to 4 weeks depending on weather and driving conditions. It's very forgiving. Even if you apply a little too much, it doesn't leave messy white residue when it dries. Number 1. Collinite 845 Insulator Wax, the secret weapon. And my absolute top recommendation for making tires look brand new for the longest possible time is actually a classic wax. Collinite 845 Insulator Wax. Many professional detailers have been using this trick for years with outstanding results. Apply a thin layer with a foam applicator, let it haze, then buff it off. It creates an incredibly deep, rich, wet-looking shine that lasts longer than almost any dedicated tire dressing, often 4 to 8 weeks or more. It also provides excellent UV protection and produces almost zero sling. This is the secret product that makes tires look freshly detailed for weeks after a wash. #### pro application tips for that brand new look. No matter which product you choose, preparation is everything. Always clean your tires thoroughly first with a dedicated tire cleaner or strong all-purpose cleaner and a stiff brush to remove old dressing, brake dust, and road grime. Dry them completely before applying anything. Use a dedicated foam applicator or microfiber towel. Never spray directly onto the tire if you can avoid it. Wipe off any excess from the sidewalls and tread edges to prevent sling. For the longest lasting results, apply 2 thin coats, waiting 10 to 15 minutes between them. Making your tires look brand new every wash isn't about buying the most expensive product on the shelf. It's about choosing the right product for your desired finish and applying it correctly on properly cleaned rubber. Whether you prefer a high-gloss wet look, a natural satin finish, or maximum protection, there's something on this list that will work perfectly for you and your car. Try a couple of these products, see which finish you like best on your specific tires, and build your own detailing routine. Your tires will look dramatically better, your car will appear much newer overall, and you'll get compliments every time you park. If this video helped you finally achieve that fresh, deep black tire look you've been wanting, please hit the like button right now. Share it with every car enthusiast and detailer you know. Subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications because we're releasing more practical, in-depth car care and detailing guides every single week. Drop a comment below. What tire dressing or shine product are you currently using? Which of these 7 are you most excited to try next? Tell me your car model and what finish you prefer, high gloss or natural satin. I read every comment and love giving personalized recommendations. Thanks for watching. Keep those tires looking brand new, your car clean, and your detailing game strong. Drive safe, and I'll see you in the next video.